Yeah, one going this way and one going the other.
We're on the way to Costco. Hip hip hooray.
Flip away.
We're going through the tunnel.
We're nearly there. Nearly there, nearly there, nearly there, nearly there. Aww. We're nearly out of the tunnel.
No, we still go. It's a long way in the tunnel to Costco. What are we going to find at Costco? A clip. You want a new hair clip? Only Faith is going to buy Talia a hair clip.
I don't feel the tunnel is so long.
Have you got your lights on?
Where are we gonna get out of here? Why's my hair really long now?
Because you're getting a big girl. You're nearly 6 years old.
My birthday's a long, long day.
No, it's only 5 months away. Yes, then your birthday.
Mom, the tree will go up and then it's my birthday.
The Christmas tree.
Yes.
Yes.
Then Christmas is for ages.
No, it's not ages away.
Christmas in December and 20th month. And December and 20 month and in December and if all of the months is done and it's the tree up all the time.
We're coming to the end of the tunnel, and we get back to see the.
Do I go that way or
Costco.
straight?
I need to
Huh?
There,
Go.
there, off.